Welcome to another episode of the Huge Podcast. The Huge Podcast, and I told you I was off.
I just like glad to be able to, help.
To help.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah.
right? Like, I mean, it's actually it's reinforcing being able to
Yeah.
help. I mean, like, how about you, man? Like, what does help? What does the word help mean for you?
Before I say anything else, yeah, seriously, like you are helping a lot of people with your podcast, and I can't stress it enough. You were a really big help promoting my brand, and the
Really?
although like I'm
Okay.
not, yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
uh,
because of course, because I'm here. That's why you say those things.
no, and
Okay,
for
okay.
the rest of the people
I
to,
want to ask you. Can you say that when I'm not around, though?
I say that a lot without you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you call brand. You know what Jeff Bezos said? Like
Mm,
branding is what
mm,
people talk about when you're not in the room,
mm.
right? Hell
Yeah.
yeah! I mean, like, yeah, I just overreacted there, but thanks, man. Like, feel good about helping. I mean, it's not natural for me. I don't like to help,
Mm.
but I don't know. Maybe it's plastic, but feels good.
It's contagious actually, because right
Yeah,
now, like what you've done to Kat, I've actually tried to push myself to, like, okay, step up,
really.
help
Were
her,
you
full
guilty?
pledge. Mm,
Yep.
not, I don't know if I should feel guilty, but like I wasn't. I pledged to, like, okay, I help her, but like not really push too much or give so much of my time. Like, just
Yeah,
say,
I get it.
g- uh, come up with few designs for her, but like I'm posting on Facebook, I'm telling my friends and
Oh
all,
yeah.
and these things that I'm doing is what I normally see from you. Like, you're so up to for other people, helping them. So you saying helping people, being able to help is really that really making sense, and yeah, it's contagious.
It is, right.
So
Like,
yeah,
I'm not
so
doing this for, like, to get validated, but because this is
mm,
something, just because this is something that doesn't come
mm,
natural for me, but I want to make it as a practice.
it's the best feeling. One of the best feeling we can have
uh,
these
for
days.
sure. For sure.
And I I don't know. I had this in mind earlier. I was like, why? I mean, like, after I posted so much, and then like you see, I posted I'm selling Rottweiler
Yeah, yeah,
dog
you are.
puppy.
Like, I saw that. Like,
That's for a friend.
who does that? Okay. Don't you
And then
want one?
I don't
Rottweilers are
do that.
really good.
Yeah. But like I don't do that. I don't post for my friends to like sell stuff and this. So it's kind of um
Yeah,
new
what?
to me to post
Really?
online, to be
Really?
so, yeah, kanang step forward jud kay ba natabang jud ko
But haven't you been doing that though with Traverse?
with Traverse. No, I mean, that's for my brand, that's given,
Oh,
but for
okay.
other people,
Does it come natural for you?
not really. So I'm actually surprised.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and that
That's good, man.
is, yeah, with that's sort of, if I try to evaluate why did I that what why did I do this, why did I posted
What
this.
for?
Yeah,
What shall I gain from this? We always look for that, right? Unsa man ako
natakdan ko sa
makuha
imo
ni?
do. Yeah, for a
Of course.
moment marag mao akong nakuan. That's what I can tell. So like, huh, I think I was really influenced by Mike, the unconscious, subconscious. Like, you are so up there. Hey, you always
Yeah.
like give time for other people. So like, I did just that, similar stuff
Nice, man.
recently.
Thanks, man. Those are
The other
really
day, and
uplifting
the
stuff.
other day and today. So I that's
So you
weird.
saw you were stalking me, huh? You weirdo. Like,
You're no
but
man.
you saw my activity.
Yeah.
Like I know like I don't try to blame the algorithms of the social media. Like
Mm,
it is what it is. Like it works like that,
mm,
and if you really pay attention, like you will really find
mm,
people out
mm,
there, not just
mm,
me, like
mm,
people out there like really helping each
mm.
other.
And even on Bisaya podcast, I
Oh
tried to
yeah,
engage
yeah,
earlier.
man. Thanks for
I
the
commented
yeah,
I commented
yes.
on stuff,
I
so
saw
like,
that.
yeah, butal
You can't
ko karon.
you can't remember. I know, man. But it feels good to be able to express yourself as well,
Mm,
and you help because I think I know why butan ka, because
yeah,
you
dili.
helped someone recently.
Mm,
It's an energy, man. It stays there. I
mm,
think I'm still riding that energy. But anyway, let's carry on to what I help because I'm like this. I over leverage and I want to plant utang na loob. Ho ho ho. Nah, I'm just joking. But like sometimes like stuff like this, it's a tactic. You know,
mm,
let's if there's pros and cons. We're always talking about the goodness of helping. Let's talk
mm,
about the other side of that. Like sometimes people
mm,
help because they want personal gain. You know,
Gain
and
is
there's
actually
over yeah, and it's
personal gain.
over yeah, of course. It's over leveraging and utang na
Mm,
loob. You want to plant that in the other person's mind, like I've done this so much. You gotta pay.
there has to be trade,
There's like exchange of value, but
change of
like
value.
if you're coming
It's
from a good place, if you just really want to help, man, it doesn't. I mean, the thought of helping is enough. Like
mm,
like what you said, it's contagious. You feel good, you feel confident, you feel like you're a good person. How about you, man? If you help, do you feel like you are over leveraging or you're planting
I
utang na loob?
not planting auto na loob, man. I think I'm more of over leveraging because wait, cat, the things about the first place of this.
Man, your voice is kind of low.
No, I'm reading the comment of cat.
Okay,
It's prompted on the screen.
okay,
Anyway, so yeah, on helping friends, I don't help them because I can get something from them, but
yeah,
there are really people when you help them. I mean, relationship always give and take, like what we are
yeah,
doing now.
yeah.
So it falls into, yeah, you can have the benefit with from them also, but you don't. I don't never in my life trying to see that as
Like
utang na loob. Good.
I don't know, cause
Mm,
you know why these things always come up with my mind. Cause I always feel like I'm guilty of that from
mm,
from my previous like activities. Like I always do
yeah.
stuff so I get something in return. Cause
Mm,
I had a lot of expectations if I do help. There's always, but
if
anyway,
I
like
can.
good karma, right? Like I
Mm.
mean, it will always come back to you if you're a good person. What you were saying?
No, just like what you were asking me if I about the potential guest you'll be having next
Yeah,
week, right? Like Tres, okay, so I might have this guy on board, and then
yeah.
will you do the audiogram for me? So this kind
Oh
of
yeah, yeah,
shit.
yeah, yeah. I was
Yeah,
asking, I was expecting
yeah.
her. Yeah, man, fucking do the audiogram for us again.
So,
Like we
but I
need that
have to
shit.
be honest. Like, if I like the guest,
You be,
then
you
okay,
you
sure.
better be careful what you say from here on out. You can be, you will get canceled from this episode right now. No, I'm just joking. No, like yeah,
It's fine.
seriously.
So it's
Yeah, I remember
important.
what you
So
told me. Yeah,
so yeah, the point is it's very important to help people, other people, when it's really, when you really feel it, not because you just want to show or pretend.
true.
Yeah, right.
Because you
Because
feel
if
it,
you try
right?
to help people just to pretend you are this and that, then you can never look at it as over leveraging. So you always kind of count it as something you can I don't know, benefit in not in a good way.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Would
It's
you
just
would you do
like
it for a stranger though?
mm, yeah, I'm the bad guy, but so maybe.
Really? So, I'm
Mm.
not guilty, but I'm still fired up by this recent person who like messaged me in
Who?
Facebook one time, and I'm not angry at him. I just don't get why, and my ego is very high. Guy was
Mm.
asking for a VLS.
What does BLS
Like
means?
it's something like I subscribe to your channel, you subscribe to mine.
Ah, yeah. So this is
Yeah,
like
yes,
follow
it's like
for
you.
follow
Yeah,
shit.
powerful. Yeah, it's like YouTube kind of stuff.
Mm.
You know what? Like, I was so bad. I was so evil. I'm a like. I just told the guy like, okay, what's that? Okay, what's VLC? What's this? What's that? And I was just pretending like I had no idea. And
Mm.
eventually, I couldn't hold it in. I told him like, listen, Buck. Like, I don't hand out my subscriptions to anyone. You
Mm.
know, like I was
Ah,
that
I think
that
I remember the person. Is it?
I, it's
I
this
think you
pride thing
mentioned this
again,
guy.
man. Yeah, I mentioned that in the podcast PH, like, and it got to a point like the our messages were nonsensical. It didn't make sense anymore, and like,
Mm.
it's maraming mga walay buot sa messenger, and like, I was like,
Mm.
look, man, if we can't meet eye to eye, like, let's just stop this conversation already,
Mm.
But I could have
Mm.
I could have moved out of the way, like I realized now, like, man, that was an opportunity to win a listener right there. But my pride just took over, like, hell
Yeah,
no. But anyway, like,
but
if I
it's
get the
fine.
chance, I'm the guy's just a message away. Like,
Mm.
we'll see. We'll do a collab soon. Anyway, we'll see.
I
And
look
it's the
forward.
yes, please look forward for it. Maybe we'll do something with that guy in the future.
Mm.
It's the end of the week here in Dubai.
Yeah,
People are looking forward to their weekends.
Friday
It's
for
Friday.
everyone to know. No, Friday
Yeah,
is like the Saturday of
yeah. That is the weekend
UAE.
here. It's live casting off, man. Is there
Ayun,
something you
i-upload
wanna?
ah. Do,
Is
do.
there something you
Please
wanna
don't
plug,
upload
man?
this. Huh?
Is there something you wanna plug?
Oh, yeah. Cat's music video. Check it. And, of course, this guy, Mike. Um, yeah, this guy, help him support his podcast. Listen to it. Kasi mamilyonaryo na ni sa sunod tuig.
You wish,
And
man. But
just that.
money was never part of this, man. I mean, if there's money, like, why not, right? Anyway,
Yeah, that's later. I'm just saying. But
hey, let's.
yeah, this is real. Huh? What is this? The pre-judi. Gusto go na ako mo start tanong og gulay sa amo backyard this month.
Oh,
Oh.
that
Sana
could
all na
be it.
backyard.
Now you're a plantita from 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 manic mundane to plantita real quick. Props to that.
Na out of 1,000 views, I think 50 of that is from me. Lol.
From where? From Malay Balay?
No, I mean, not from me alone. Because I'm really digging that song.
Yeah, of
Like,
course, man.
from time to time, I play that. From morning, in the
No, 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 no,
afternoon,
no, 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 no,
in the
no, no.
evening.
Yeah, you guys should go watch that video. It's really good. Anyway, man, I want you to get some sleep. I want to thank you for coming to this live casting.
Nawala na nun ako katulgon. Yeah.
Oh my God, I feel so guilty now. Hi!
Yes, it was. Thank you.
Si Kat. Thank you, guys. Anyway, man, Chris, I want you to have a good night's rest. Get some solid 8 hours in there. And also,
Mm.
apas ako, matulog na pag karon taon. Do some
Mm.
last minute editing, talk to my wife, and then I'll hit the haystack.
I feel so weird because I don't
Yeah,
speak
what's weird?
English anymore. And
Who?
when I'm on your podcast, me,
You? Yeah. Yeah,
yeah,
this is
I'm
good.
like
This is good
I'm
practice for
forgetting the
you, man.
language. This is a good practice, a warm
It's
up
good practice.
exercise,
Yeah, it's good
right?
practice for you, man.
Like yawa, din ako kabalog in English, bisit.
I mean, you don't have to, but you're talking to me, so
But I
yeah,
really
man.
want to speak English every time. But like
It's good.
having a conversation straight English good yawa kung naa ako dito sa imong podcast. Ay hara.
Eh, man, I want to be able to speak Bisaya again, like in Cagayan de Oro City. I'm looking forward to that.
Let's do a
Inshallah.
podcast soon.
Yes,
Pag
we
naa na ka
will.
diri sa bukid.
Yes, man. We should. We should, man. A lot of plans, a lot of things to look forward to.
Spider-Man. Wow, Spider-Man. Yawa mga 90s kids gid ta do ba?
Yeah, man.
Ano
We're
kay mga
all
Spider-Man ug mga podcast.
anyway, man. I hate
Traverse wala gyud. Muli na lang ni siya. Gihapon.
what?
Nakatong t-shirt wa gihapon. Muli na lang
This,
kado. Wala
there's
na
a
picture
problem
ng
with
iba.
there's a problem with the supplier, man. Solid. Like, I really tried, but I'm trying to talk to some suppliers here now, so we'll see. I mean, we're not agreeing with the price, so looking for very reasonable suppliers out there for a reasonable
fine.
price.
Move on na lang ta. So anyway,
We'll do
That's it.
we'll do one soon, man. And yeah, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this livecast episode right here.
and thanks
And
Cass.
Thanks you, Kat, and nothing but the best for that song. I hope it goes to the moon. So anyway, guys.
And do ha, again, yawa, we're running
Yes.
almost an hour naman day, 50 minutes
Almost.
naman day. Kaya nagiko
And-
na, promise me, don't post this episode.
We'll post it as a podcast episode, not as a video. It will come out, man. If you want, I'll show it to you first before we put it out. Anyway, you will love it. Thanks. Salamat do. Thank you for your time.
Okay,
Thank you
sige,
for
sige,
allowing me
ayaw,
to Thank you for allowing me to invade in your private time and your bedtime. All the
It's
best,
fine.
bro.
Wait,
Thanks,
mag-screenshot
man.
ko kaya sa lang. Okay, bye. Yawa, flex ang puta. Okay, do. Bye-bye, do.
Send ako do. Salamat do. Thank you. Ayo, good night.
Love our videos? Please click the like button or hit subscribe. This is the huge upside.